Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very quick tip video. The quick tip is regarding how to enter the dollar sign when we are making a absolute reference to a cell. So for example, I want to multiply all these values with 67. So what I've seen people doing is they select the cell and they enter into and they select the cell. Then what they do is they enter the dollar sign manually, which is okay, but it is time consuming. So the easier way to do is I say cell A2 into cell B2, then you have to press function plus F4. So I'll show you on my keyboard. What I'll do is I will select B2 and say function F4. This gives me the dollar sign. You don't have to open your online on-screen keyboard and then enter these keys. You can just use your keyboard to enter these keys. I used my on-screen keyboard so that I can show you what keys I'm using. So you have to use F1, and then when you click F1 you will see F4 over here. So you have to click that and you will get the dollar signs for absolute cell value. So this is a easier way, a shortcut key to enter the dollar signs in the cell. Thank you for this video. If you like this tip, please subscribe to my channel and also like my video. Bye bye.